On this gasoline alley, we're taking my Focus ST from trucker vape juice status to a little bit more refined and a little more incognito mud flaps. So ever since getting this car, I've been a little bit self-conscious about these flappy things hanging underneath my bumper. Now they came with the car, I've never had mud flaps before, and I figured, what the heck, people pay good money for these Rally Armor mud flaps, and why take them off if maybe it's going to be something that I want. Now I've had them on here for a while, and I feel like it attracts the wrong attention. You know, it's got this racer boy, rally monster kind of flair, and let's be honest, this is a freaking Ford ST. This is hardly a rally car, let alone something that needs more attention. You can get spanked by a V6 Camry. Jesus. Well, so with that in mind, I found these guys. So this is a mud flap from ZL1 Addons. They do a lot of mud flaps for cars that should take attention, ZL1 Camaros and cars like that. But I gotta say, one of the things that I definitely enjoy about these Rally Armor mud flaps were the fact that they helped protect the car. So in that vein, they work awesome. So let me know if you want them. But with that, we've got our new mud flaps. These are considerably smaller. They're also made out of a little bit stiffer, a little bit harder material, but they're actually gonna take up a much smaller kind of footprint here, but still giving some protection. So let me go ahead and pop this mud flap off, pop these on, and show you what the difference is. So the first step to shedding vape status is going to be going ahead and removing these old mud flaps. The Rally Armors, actually, for what it's worth, are pretty well made, as much as I give some jest here. But definitely coming off. Spacers all come off with them, and that's going to give us the room to install our new mud flaps here. So these come right off. None of this stuff we're going to have to reuse. And now our new mud flap is actually going to start right up there. So we're going to take their 1-inch screw, the smaller one, pop that through, and actually begin the process. And now we've got that installed. Take off these 3 screws, and it'll come right out. Take your new mud flap, slide it right in. And that's it. This guy's installed, and I'll go ahead and show you guys tomorrow morning how it looks out in the sunlight. Well, thanks guys for watching this video on installing these new mud flaps. I gotta say a couple of things. So, I was making fun of the Rally Armor ones. They're actually pretty nice mud flaps, but I am so much happier with these ZL1 Addons mud flaps. I think they look a lot smaller. I mean, today it's just, it's pouring out right now, but these mud flaps, they work awesome. As you can see, my car has stayed really clean, and I like them a bunch. So thanks so much for watching this video. Go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this into the future. Go ahead and also hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know if you think these new ZL1 add-on mud flaps are better than the Rally Armor, or would you have kept the Rally Armor? But either way, see you in the next video.